team wrench a lot.
Gonna fix what's broken, the track.
Real quick, before this stuff all gets hidden, so this is what I was working on this morning for my improvement. I shot it before and after. So these are the parts that we use on the old style gun. We got new guns coming, but we still have these bad boys in play. And this has been sitting on the shelf here for a while. And this got started, this is, like we talked about this morning, the done. This is an improvement that got started about a year ago, we'll say. And the goal was to get it all into a closed case so it's easier to maintain with the other cases we have. So I got a couple other pieces cut into play, into home, sorry. And my game plan is to get this finished up so it's off of my list of ship to do, and it gets this gun cart for the old style MVPs close to being finished just for that style of gun.
So we're showing how these are different.
No, we don't.
So Steve is gonna make them the same.
So we saw, Steve noticed there was a bad switch here, so he went to pull it off to see what was wrong. It's not even connected here. So it sparked when he tried to open it up, take the screws off. So we are going to get this off and get a new one on it.
Morning guys, a little bit of a fail, but we had it the label bin hanging from there. So I put a piece of wood coming down from the keyboard to place it there. Problem is, I think we're gonna have to go back a little bit because we have restrictions from the wrap.
Robert and John over here on the finish line, the first station, and our bin to hold our blocks for our tags. We've upgraded it. I think we're on the real good track here. If you want to see what we did here is we took this 2x, drilled some holes, got its home, drilled some holes, bolted it in so it's super rigid, super secure. Then we have our French hinge. We reattached it to this and it's super stable. It's at a proper height where anybody can get to it. And I think we're looking good. Thanks.
Good morning, Elite. We had the marker bin right down here and we decided probably a bad idea. If we have too many, nothing will ever come back. So we're taking that away. And in the spot right here, I found this little guy upstairs. Looks like a marker holder. So first go around, we're gonna put them right here and see what happens if it works.
What's going on, guys? Set team here in between the Napoleon Dynamite shelf and the Tiger King shelf. Last 4 standards have been labeled for the smaller rack. All we need to do is get the sign up there so we can see from a distance. Now we're moving on to the elf shelf.
Yo, Adam, I'm gonna ask for a little help improvement. So Carrie did some combats for regular pickups. So wood, box ends. This is actually a regular one that we should be doing. So I'll give you this example. Is this has been sitting here for months now. We've probably drove past it 50 times, and it needs to be dropped off and to be picked up. So there's drop off or pick up. Probably can do it in one and just circle which one we're doing. Dropping off, picking up. Milwaukee electric tool. So guys, I just want to show a real quick improvement. So the current state, when we're going to enter an order, you kind of find the place that's going to be sequenced. So sequence is really important. Well, you can see like there's an empty line here, so you can start there. But it doesn't carry the formatting, so you got to copy the formatting from somewhere. And so if you look right here, I said I saved it for formatting. It has all the drop downs, it has all the formulas. And then I froze the line so that no matter what, where you are, you can just copy it and insert it, and it saves a ton of time, effort, and frustration.